how to use ChatGPT to break down an overwhelming task without feeling stupid or techie. Hi everyone. Today I want to show you something that I've personally found so helpful, especially on busy days when my brain is tired. It's not about being good at technology, and it's definitely not about using AI to do your life for you. It's about using AI, such as ChatGPT, as a thinking partner. Because sometimes we don't need motivation, we need a clear starting point. So I want to show you exactly how I used ChatGPT to help me break down an overwhelming task, organizing my home office. Let me start with why this works so well. When you feel overwhelmed, your brain tends to do one of two things: freeze or jump between 12 different ideas and finish none of them. What ChatGPT or AI can do is remove decision fatigue, give you a simple structure, and turn one huge problem into tiny steps. It's especially helpful because it doesn't judge you. You can say, "I'm overwhelmed, I'm tired, this feels like a lot," and it will respond with clarity. The example I'm using now is my home office and getting it organized, but I've even used this to deep clean my bathroom because it just felt like an overwhelming task and I wasn't sure where to start. So here's the situation. I wanted to organize my home office, but I felt overwhelmed and didn't know where to start. So I asked ChatGPT my first prompt exactly like this. I need to organize my home office, but I'm overwhelmed and I don't know where to start. Can you break this down into small, clear steps? And what I got back was a really clear plan, broken down into steps that didn't feel so intimidating. But here's what's important. Sometimes the first answer is still too much. And instead of giving up, I just told it that. The second prompt was, "This still feels like a lot. Can you simplify this and group the steps into phases?" That made a huge difference because now the plan had phases like reset, clear, organize, and maintain. This is the key lesson. If the answer feels too complicated, don't quit. Refine the prompt. Then I thought, okay, but realistically, I'm busy. So I asked, if I only wanted to work on this for 30 minutes today, what should I do first? And suddenly I had a plan that felt doable. Trash first, relocate items, clear the desk surface, and then stop. This is another key lesson. Tell ChatGPT your time frame. It will adjust the plan to your reality. Then I realized something else. Even 30 minutes can feel hard if you're exhausted. So I gave AI more context. Can you adapt this plan for someone who is tired, busy, and doesn't have much mental energy? And this was the turning point for me because the plan became low decision, high impact, and very easy to stop and restart. So here's a big takeaway for everyone. AI works better the more honest you are. And this goes for any task or anything you choose to use AI to do. You don't have to be polished. You don't need perfect grammar. You just have to be real. Then I wanted it all combined into something I could follow. The next prompt is, thank you, because I do like to thank my AI. Let's put everything together into one simple plan I can use and follow for organizing my office over the next week or so. Now I had a full weekly plan, including a quick reset on day 1, sorting the desk on day 2, moving on to papers, cords, supplies, and by day 7, I was working on maintenance systems. So the office wasn't something I had to attack. It became a series of just tiny wins. I think the reason AI is so helpful for these tasks is that it can instantly provide structure where your brain feels scattered. It can instantly provide priorities when everything feels equally urgent, step-by-step instructions, and a plan that can match your time and energy. It's like having someone calm next to you saying, "Start here. This is enough for today." So the big message I want to leave you with is you don't need to be good with technology to use AI. You just need to ask it like you'd ask a helpful friend. Start messy, refine the question, make it smaller, add your time limit and your energy level, and suddenly the overwhelming thing becomes doable. That's how I used it to organize my home office, and you can use the exact same process for anything that feels too big right now. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.